I'm going to show you how to find documents that are shared with you in Google Drive, either from your students or from other teachers. We're going to go over here to Chrome. Always go to Chrome first. I'm going to go over to the square of dots, or as it's been referred to as a waffle. We're going to go to Google Drive, this triangle. From Google Drive, we're going to go with Shared with Me. And here you'll find documents that were shared with you, sometimes by the people, your most recent shared items. But you can go to documents that are shared with you, and you can find them and open them. And that's as easy as it is. Sometimes you might be on a shared drive. So if you're on a particular, maybe your classroom has a drive that they're sharing, and that's where they put all kinds of documents in, you might be in a shared drive. You can also look for that. If there's something you worked on recently, you can go to a recent, and your most recent things will pop up. If there's things that were important to you that you starred, you can go to your starred. Let's see, and you can always just search it. You can always just type in what you think it's who it's from, or what you think it's titled, and it should pop right up for you. All right, best of luck.